Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill a fillable PDF form using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your file browser on your computer and locate the fillable PDF form you want to work with. This could be any PDF document that contains fields you need to fill out, such as application forms, contracts, or surveys. Once you've found your PDF file, the next step is to open it with the right application. Now, right-click on the PDF file. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Open With. This option allows you to choose which program will handle opening your PDF, giving you more control over how you interact with the document. After clicking Open With, you'll see a list of available applications on your computer. Go ahead and click on Google Chrome from this list. By selecting Chrome as your PDF viewer, you're choosing a browser that has built-in PDF support with excellent form filling capabilities. Chrome's native PDF viewer is intuitive and doesn't require any additional plugins or software installations. At this point, your PDF form will open directly in a new Chrome tab and you're ready to start filling it out. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate through the form fields. You'll notice that all the fillable fields are clearly visible and interactive, allowing you to simply click and type your information. Now go ahead and fill up the fields that are needed in your PDF form. Click on each field and enter your information as required. Chrome makes this process smooth by allowing you to use your keyboard to tab between fields, just like you would in any online form. Take your time to review each field and ensure you're entering the correct information in the appropriate spaces. Once you're done filling out all the necessary fields in your form, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see a download icon there. Click on this download icon to save the PDF with all your data included. This action will download the completed PDF to your computer's default download folder, preserving all the information you just entered into the form fields. And that's it. You've successfully filled out your PDF form using Google Chrome and saved it with all your information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.